Today we're going to be talking about drone assaulters. On today's battlefield, the commanders on the assault team, we see that more and more they are having some kind of reconnaissance drone. It's for reconnaissance, but it's like a small FPV drone that is launched during the assault to go scout around. So let's say you are assaulting recent positions in a tree line, and we are starting to see that more and more in assault footage is assaulters on the assault line, maybe just before assaulting or straight up during the firefight. There is one guy that carries a FPV drone with him and launch the drone to go scout around. Basically, this guy is looking for Russians' positions, how many there is doing a reconnaissance and trying to get as much information as possible, what is going on the enemy side and what to expect when they will reach that position, how many blindage, how many enemy is there if the enemy is outside, or maybe they can also detect if the enemy trying to gather together to form some kind of a small assault team, getting ready to fight back. And that's all information that the assault drone operator is looking for. And live during the assault, he reports everything to the assault commander. He can talk to him if he is in sight of talk, or just reach out to him on the radio. And man, the blindage is like 20 meters on your right, and like there are two pillars outside. A little bit earlier during the war, you will see the assault, and then you will have the reconnaissance drone, and then the assault group will be on communication with the TOC, and TOC giving them information based on the reconnaissance drone giving the live footage, right? That's a way to do it. And also, sometime when you are relying on the ISR drone, this guy needs to go change battery, or maybe the weather, it's raining and like they don't want to fly or stuff like that. So it gives you the asset to launch a drone right on the spot and not have to rely on anyone else. So basically, it's one guy carries the drone in his bag, and then when there is a moment, everyone maybe are in the tree line sneaking up on the enemy positions. Then the commander say, hey, launch the drone, go see. So the guy launched the drone, go see, do a reconnaissance of the enemy positions. Everything is good, come back, let's start the assault. Or you can also launch the drone during the contact, and just to try to assess how many enemy there is in front of them. That is a super great tactic to see nowadays. I will show the footage from Azov International when they are assaulting some kind of small village. The commander is talking to the drone with signals, right? With end signal. Prior to the assault, they have a talk, what's a signal, what means what, and everything. So they don't necessarily need to go on the radio and say, hey, can you go there, or like do this or do that, right? And if there's something really important, really interesting, well, they just report on the radio if the drone assaulter is not directly with the commander. Would be cool also if, like, that's just something I'm thinking, if the commander has his tablet here and have access to the drone feed, the commander himself, not just the operator far behind doing the reconnaissance and having to translate everything to the commander. If maybe it's a possibility, the commander has access to the drone feed on his work cell phone and just watch what is happening just in front of him, so we can have a better idea of the situation. In my assault group, when I was working in the assault group summer 2024, we had a drone operator. He was attached to us, and when we were pushing into the forest, that operator brought his Mavic, his laptop, batteries and everything, and he was able to launch the reconnaissance drone on command. Now you are wondering, hey, that looks pretty cool. How do I become a drone assaulter? Well, there are two ways, maybe like what happened for me. If you join a drone team, at some point, if they need you, they will ask you, hey, can you, we need one guy with assault group to launch drone on during the assault. So maybe you will have the chance to join an assault group. But the most common way is joined as a assaulter, as a direct action infantry assaulter guy, join an assault group, and once you're there, you say, hey, I can fly FPV, I have my own DJI avatar too, or like I know this guy can get us a drone or something, or maybe the team will already have a drone ready. So you just mentioned that to your team. I know how to fly drones and everything, and there's a lot of chance that you will be put as the drone assaulter. If you are good at your job, if you are a piece of shit, I wouldn't count on that. But if you're good at your job and you're good at flying drones, yeah, probably. Now you are saying, yeah, but I want to become a drone assaulter, but I don't have any drone experience. I don't even know how to fly. Well, that's when I come to save you guys. I did a 17 episode drone course. It's on the Dose of Freedom YouTube channel. You can also access it on the Dose of Freedom Patreon. It's everything that I learned in Ukraine. For me, I had to learn everything very steep. I didn't know anything about drones, part, engineering, soldering. I didn't know shit. I founded Dose of Freedom, which is a NGO providing FPV drones, and I had to learn everything from scratch. And yeah, it was hard and it took a lot of time, but during my time in Ukraine, for Dose of Freedom, I worked with teams, I built drones, I learned everything, right? And I made this tutorial to help you guys it's a good way to start somewhere. So if you are wondering, how can I get ready? Like you want to join a drone course, but it's in a couple of months and you want to start learning now. Yes, there are all those civilians free course on the internet, but they are not, it's for hobby, FPV hobby, flying, do backflips, all that stuff. It's similar. My course is focused on FPV side of drone warfare. So check it out if you are interested. It's like 17 episodes. You see everything you need, everything I learned, anything you need, how to fly, how to practice flying, how to build the drones, how to solder, and you see everything. So it's gonna be in the comment down below. If you're interested, make sure you check that. The course was free before. Unfortunately for me now, I'm struggling finding work back home. So if you want to support me, if you want to learn about drone, make sure you become a member of the channel to have access to the course, or make sure you join our Patreon to have access to the course also. So listen, that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and join the Dose of Freedom Instagram. Peace.